NAR, National Association of Realtors, the superhero of real estate, stands for fairness and joy in home ownership nationwide. Realtors are giving a thumbs up to changes in the appraisal world. The White House's PAVE, Property Appraisal and Valuation Equity Task Force, is taking significant steps to address appraisal bias, and NAR is cheering them on. Among the modifications are a proposed regulation aimed at enhancing the quality control of automated valuation models, also known as AVMs, a collaborative endeavor between the FHA to establish a novel reconsideration of value, ROV, process, and the forthcoming disclosure of extra data pertaining to appraisals. With over 1.5 million members, NAR is the superhero of the real estate industry, ensuring that realtors abide by their strict code of ethics. It's time to level the playing field and bring joy to homeowners and communities nationwide. And if you're ever wondering, should I sell to that, should I use that investor, or should I use a real estate agent, just so you know, only realtors are overseen by a national governing body to make sure that everything is done with fairness and accuracy. Stay tuned for more information from me, Jim Hardy, and please make a point to subscribe to my channel and keep up to date. Bye.